This is Dr. Cool Auto Fix. Today I'm gonna be taking you guys on a very short notice Nissan etc. etc. The other complaint on this very car here is that the car start off in the morning and shut off. I tried to put on my scan tool to it the other day so I can know exactly the trouble code that is given, but unfortunately I'm not seeing anything that I mean, my scanner couldn't communicate with it. Not because it has any electronics issue, but because it has expired, and my software has actually expired, and so they have actually scrambled that one out until when I get it updated. But just looking at things, I could see something that related to it, because I've had this experience with my Volkswagen Mix before. When it has any problem, starting up in the morning, my first bet that I always get to see around before any other thing else is still the same thing which I'm looking at here. So let's go ahead and look at it. So the first thing which I'm going to be asking you to check if your car starts up in the morning and dies immediately is going to be this guy right here, right? Two things is possible. What are you trying to do? With the craze is this guy right here, and it can be two things. One is that this throttle position sensor is dead or is about to die. Then the other side there is too much dirt. So let's take a look at this one here. I just looked at it this morning, and I can tell it's really extremely dirty. Can you see that? Nothing clean about this. Does anything good comes out of this very throttle body? So my first bet which I'm looking at here is this throttle position sensor, because it looks so old, aside the fact that there's a lot of dirt here. Oh my gosh, damn. So the first thing you want to do here is to get the carburetor cleaner and flush this guy out. You might want to lose out this bolt entirely, then bring it down and socket it from here, which is very simple, like eating pizza. You can see that. Okay, so you get this one on socket, then it's been secured by, depend on the make and model, it's pretty much the same thing with almost every car. So after checking this one out, after flushing the hell out of them, then what you want to do next is to check your fuel pump and make sure that your fuel pump is in good condition, because if it is not in good condition, it's going to be creating a lot worse nightmare than this one here. So I'm going to go ahead and pull this one back. So check your fuel pump and make sure that your fuel pump is doing its job the way it's supposed to. If it has been long that you actually installed it, then go ahead and actually replace it. Then the next thing you want to check, if yours is an old system, this distributor is another thing here. There is a Hall sensor around this distributor here, so you want to make sure that you go ahead and get yourself another brand new distributor and replace it. If suppose this is in a situation where you don't have a scan tool to actually diagnose it, there is, I mean, without scan tool, that is where you should apply this. There should be more bolts down there. There should be bolts down there. So go ahead and do it, and I show you within these three things here: fuel pump, throttle body, and what have you again, the Hall sensor. These three guys has a tendency of, four guys actually: the throttle body, the throttle position sensor, the distributor, the fuel pump, or the Hall sensor. Even in some cases, crankshaft position sensor can actually do that. But when he says specifically in the morning, I know these three bad guys can actually be there and causing a lot of problem, and they are gonna look pretty much innocent when you look at them. So guys, pretty much this is the first tip which I'm gonna be giving on a car that start off in the morning and shut off immediately. If this help you fix a problem, give me a thumbs up, subscribe to my channel, and I gotta catch you guys later. Don't forget, this is Dr. Cool Auto Fix. Bye for now.